In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet using your laptop. Whether you're working from home, presenting to a group, or just sharing something with friends, screen sharing is a valuable tool to master. By the end of this guide, you'll be breezing through the steps to share your content effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and type in meet.google.com, or if you prefer, you can open your Google Meet app if you have it installed. This is where all the screen sharing magic will happen. When you reach the website or app, look for an option to enter a meeting code or link. If you don't have a scheduled meeting, this is also where you can join a meeting. Once you've entered your code or selected your meeting, simply click the button that says join. If it's a meeting you've yet to be accepted into, you might be prompted to click ask to join. This is just a request to gain access from the meeting host, ensuring everything is secure and private. After getting into the meeting, click Join Now to enter the virtual room fully. Now let's get into sharing your screen. At the bottom of the Google Meet interface, you'll see several different icons. Among these, look for and click on the one that says Present Now. This option will open up a menu where you can choose what exactly you want to share. You'll see three choices: your entire screen, a window, and a tab. Decide on whether you want to share your entire desktop, a specific application window, or a single tab from your browser. For instance, if you're only presenting slides from a browser tab, choose a tab for a more focused approach. Once you make your selection, you'll be prompted to choose the specific tab, window, or screen you wish to share. Choose carefully to ensure you're sharing only the content you intend to. After you've made your selection, click Share to begin broadcasting your chosen content to everyone in the meeting. It's as simple as that. However, keep in mind to monitor your shared content, and as always, be aware of sensitive information that might be displayed inadvertently. When you're ready to stop sharing, look for the button that says Stop Sharing, which is usually at the bottom of your screen or a similar position. It's just as important to stop sharing when you're done to regain privacy and allow others to present if needed. You might also find yourself in situations where someone else is presenting. Don't worry, you can still share your screen. If you begin presenting while someone else is, their presentation will be paused automatically, allowing you to capture everyone's attention immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to share your screen on Google Meet with your laptop. Whether you're conducting a business meeting or simply showcasing your latest project, these steps will ensure you present in a professional manner every time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.